You are watching news broadcast of Sigma Media Lab.
Raigad District, Odisha. Guru Purnima means birthday celebration of Maharshi Ved Vyas, who divide Veds in a good sequence and contribute many Purans, Bhagavad epics like Mahabharata, which gives us devotion, knowledge, moral values to attain peace, bliss and divinity. Reverend Yogi Sri Chaitanya Ramji of Vishwa Kalyan Sadhana Samiti initiated significant transformations in Silatiguda village, Raigad, benefiting sadhana followers since Tretya Yuga. This festival symbolizes respect for mentors and is crucial for spiritual and intellectual growth. Yogi Chaitanya Ramji focuses on providing youth with tools for a better educational future. On this occasion, Chief guest from Karnataka Mrs. Sujata Devi attended by sparing her valuable time. Recently, a new mandap was sponsored by JKPM and inaugurated by its PRO Mrs. Smriti Rekhakar, attended as guest of honor.
My name is Smriti Rekhakar. I am Public Relation Officer of JK Paper Limited.
It is a fortunate for all that you are attending here and welcome for this occasion. What can you share with us about the mandap that was recently constructed near the temple by JKPM in this area? How do you feel being here today on this occasions of Guru Purnima? What thoughts are running through your mind right now?
Actually, today is Guru Purnima and villagers are there and they invited us as a guest here. Actually, here the Jagya Mandapa we have constructed this one. This is actually a recreation center for the entire village. So we are here and we are celebrating with the villagers. It's a cordial relationship between the villagers and the corporate, and we should learn the nature. Then we should worship the nature, and there is a relationship between nature and the human being, and we should believe in that supernatural things in and around us. It's not only a temple; it's a recreation center for the entire village. So people are there; they are celebrating their traditions, their culture, and they are enjoying their traditions here. So we are happy. We are part of this entire culture.
Hari Om Ji, Pranam. My name is Yogi Sri Chaitanya Ram, founder of Vishwa Kalyan Sadhana Samiti.
What emotions arise within you when you think about the gratitude the villagers feel towards your blessing? As you remain dedicated to this cause, what thoughts and feelings are prevalent in your mind? Could you elaborate on the strategies you have in place to promote spiritual and positive mindsets among remote communities such as this one?
This is the great opportunity to our entire Sanatana Sanskriti followers, which is found in Treta Yuga. Our Rishi Vyasa Maharshi's Janma Jayanti, in the eve of Vyasa Maharshi Janma Jayanti, we are celebrating the Guru Purnima Utshava. The Guru Purnima is the one of festival that's give to all devotees and humanity to develop their intellectual levels, which lead their peaceful life, which gives to universal peace also. This is the one of the remote area in our Raigada block.
Other esteemed figures Mr. P. Gauri Babu, Mr. Raju Sahu, Mr. Allu Sankar, Mr. Jagannath Paricha attended the event. President of Hanuman Mandir Mr. Enkanna Himirika, Pandit Dharmendra Pandey, Pandit Damodhar Subudhi, Mrs. Leelavati Shadangi, priests Upendra and Krishna along with more Matru Shakti from several areas and villages signified their progress and unity in the community's journey. In such a remote area of Raigad district, the inspiration of positive and spiritual thoughts has a significant impact on the entire community. Similarly, the celebration of Guru Purnima was observed at Ma Mangala temple in Raigad, with Pujya Yogi Sri Chaitanya Ramji delivering a speech on the significance of devotion to the Guru in eradicating ignorance from society. President of Raigad Sindhi Panchayat Mr. Ramesh Golni and Secretary Mr. Indu graced the occasion as honored guests.
स्वाध्याय सत्संगाभ्याम न प्रबोधितव्यम जो तैतरी उपनिषद 1-3 मंत्र पुण्यावतरे भगवद गीता अष्टादश अध्याय रे पढ़ी अछि।
मो ना रामकृष्ण पंडा मंगला मंदिर ट्रेजरर आज गुरु पूर्णिमा ए वर्ष प्रथम करी ए मंदिर रे अनुष्ठित होइछि एवं यार परिचालना करबा पई हम जोगीश्री चैतन्य आसीथिले तांकर जहाँ उपदेश तांकर जो आशीर्वचन जो समाजर मंगल पाई समाज युवपीढ़ी पाई समस्त उपकार कल्याण पाई आज दिन में बोले बहुत भल उपदेश देते गीतार उपदेश भगवान श्रीकृष्ण तांकर चरित्र व्यासदेव चरित्र सबकि से वर्णना करी समस्त दिग्दर्शन देते आउे आमर सिलिटीगुड़ा मंदिर रे हनुमान मंदिर रे आज गोटे संकल्प करा 11 लाख हनुमान चालीसा और प्रत्येक सप्ताह सुंदरकांड जे इच्छुक व्यक्ति प्रत्येक व्यक्ति को अनुरोध करा संकल्प आज 100 लोक नहीं हनुमान चालीसा गाइबा प्रत्येक दिन एटा 11 लाख पूर्ण होगा पर्यंत 28 सप्ताह भीतर गाइबा समस्ते संकल्प कर।
Other dignitaries Mr. Praful Patra, Chit Bhai, Mr. Allu Shankar were also in attendance. Mandir Committee President Mr. Raju Sahu led the program in discipline and ritual method in cooperation with Secretary Mr. Rabindra Sahu, Joint Secretary Mr. Gopi Gudo, Vice President Mr. Binayakkar, Cashier Mr. Ram Krishna Panda with all working dedicators. Mr. Manoj Mishra, Editor of Sigma Media Lab English, prepared the report.